Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're gonna do on this episode is talk about RawDog. RawDog is the first meme token that launched on MELD, specifically on Azomi DEX. Okay, so if you guys do get something out of this, smash a like button, subscribe, comment down below whatever questions you have regarding this token project, Cardano, Ethereum, Solana, XRP even. We're going to talk about it on this channel. So today we are talking about none other than RawDog. So I've done a few videos on this recently, and right now the market's down, okay? But ladies and gentlemen, RawDog is up. At 3 cents, hit a 2 million market cap. So started from the bottom, now we here. So guys, by the way, I'm not telling you to pick up this token. It's a meme token. You can get absolutely wrecked. Guys, ultimately, MELD is a brand new layer 1 blockchain. And as MELD grows, as you know, when the app comes out, when people start onboarding with MELD, you're going to see other categories prosper. So MELD is the layer 1, right? And by the way, comment down below if you agree or not. But ladies and gentlemen, MELD is fast. I have been surprised, even because of the fact that I knew it would be good, but MELD, in terms of its fees, it's cheap. It's good, fast, and cheap. Typically, in business, you either get something good, fast, and cheap. You could pick the three, like 2 out of the 3. If you want it cheap and fast, well, it may not be good. So MELD hits all of them. So that's a dangerous combination. You guys let me know if you agree or not. But MELD is a non-custodial layer 1 blockchain that is undervalued. When this thing goes, it's going to go, baby. So we're going to be winning like Patrick Mahomes, right? Nobody's going to stop us. So if you guys want, guys, head over to the Crypto Moose channel. I've got videos on how to pick up RawDog if you want. So again, invest at your own risk. Just understand this is a meme token, but I have videos how to pick it up, how to provide liquidity. I teach you guys step by step how to do that and how to pick up the girl next door. So if you guys want to get loose, you got to listen to the moose. So taking a look at the price again, we're at 3 cents. We hit a $2.5 million market cap. So that was the peak up here, and then people dumped. So I don't know exactly where that was. I will close Define for now. But if you guys want, you can also head over to RawDogPumps.com. So there's going to be a bunch of stuff in the store in the near future as well. So again, guys, this is a clear winner in my eyes. Dude, you're going to have a drink. I'll probably drink those. T-shirts coming soon. Hats coming soon. If you guys want to pick up RawDog, head over to Azomi. So I just want to make sure no wallets are connected. You guys are going to find out just how much of a badass the moose is. So guys, head over to the link tree. I also have links for you to help you out. Save 10% off your Tangent wallet today if you guys want to get loose. And we're on the road to 10 million in market cap. I think we're going to get there sooner than you think. So that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you at 5 mil market cap.